In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete photo albums on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch into your Facebook business page profile so you are managing the correct page. Once you are in the page view, open your Facebook business page and go to the main page area where all of your business content is available. Next, find and click the Photos tab. This section contains the images and albums connected to your business page. After the Photos section opens, look through your albums and select the one you want to remove. Open that album so you can access its settings and management options. Inside the album, look for the More Options menu, which usually appears as 3 dots. In some layouts, you may instead see an Edit Album option. Click whichever of these appears on your screen. This will open the available actions for that album. From the menu, select Delete Album. Facebook will then show you a confirmation message. Read this message carefully. It explains that deleting the album will permanently remove the album itself along with all of the photos stored inside it. This action cannot be undone, so it is important to make sure you are deleting the correct album before continuing. If you are sure you want to remove it, click Delete or Confirm to proceed. Facebook will begin removing the album from your business page. Give it a moment to finish processing. The time may vary slightly depending on the number of photos in the album and your connection speed. Once the deletion is complete, return to the Photos section of your Facebook business page. Check the list of albums again and verify that the album no longer appears. This confirms that the album has been successfully deleted. If the album is still visible, refresh the page and check again. In some cases, Facebook may take a few moments to update the display. After the page refreshes, the deleted album should no longer be listed. This is a simple way to clean up unused or outdated photo albums on your Facebook business page and keep your page organized. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.